Hi there. I've just started getting into flipbooks and made a few flipbooks, but I've sort of been struggling to get my flipbook to sort of flip evenly right the way through, especially when I sort of got to the last few pages of my flipbook. So what I've found, and I'm going to share with you today, is that I've found that using a bread clip I get a better result. So the bread clip is a little soft plastic bread clip that holds your bread bag together and stops the bread falling out. And so what I've found to do with that, there's all nice little corners on it. Just hold that sort of firmly under your thumb there, and press that down firmly on your flipbook, and then just slowly move that to the right, I suppose, and then you can see the picture appear in front of you, and you can see those last few pages. It went through quite well there. So I'll just try that again and show you how that works again. So press that down firmly on that bread clip, and let's see how it goes. Okay, there we go. That's the way that I've found to flip my flipbooks more successfully, by using a bread clip, soft plastic bread clip. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Goodbye for now.